Good morning, everyone. Dr. Hashimoto here reporting to you. Now, a lot of our patients come to us for back pain, and a lot of reasons why people get back pain is because the human body was not made to sit down. And one thing that will happen is your hip flexors, the muscles right here in the front of the hips, chronically get tight and short because they're shortened up all the time because you're sitting down watching TV, working, driving, everything you do. And then you also sit on your glute muscles back here so you inhibit them. Those are two really important muscles when you're doing stabilizing your core. So one of the easiest things to do is to start stretching out your hip flexor. This exercise is again on my website right here. The easiest thing to do is just kneel down like this. You can kneel down on a pad. You got your heel lined up with the inside of your knee. You're just kind of lunging forward with your hip. You can squeeze that back, butt cheek back here, and you're going to get a good stretch on here. If you wanted a little bit more, you could raise that same arm up. You just hold that for about 30 seconds, breathe, and stretch. Then, when you're done that, you can start working out the glute muscles that you sit down on. Easiest thing to do is lay down flat on the floor. You can practice squeezing right, left, glutes back here. Put your hands under there, just make sure you know you're firing them. Once you know that they're warmed up, put your hands across your chest like this. Get your hips up into the air and back down. You do this for about 30 seconds. You do 3 sets of these, and you do that every single day. Now, try that at home.